I am Megha Raj from BCA PPU First Year Batch 1. I am here with Dipti, Abhigya and Anu. Today we have an exciting debate lined up in which we are divided into two teams. Dipti and I will argue that the time is most important asset and Abhigya and Anu will defend the importance of money. So let's start with Abhigya.
I think money can buy time because with sufficient money you can hire people to do tasks for you and money can use to buy product that save your time.
Hiring people save time. Save efforts, not time. Hours in a day are limited, no matter how much money you have. Even the richest person in the world can't buy an extra second.
Money gives you freedom to live your life as your own conditions, to enjoy your hobbies or to travel without worrying about your financial condition.
Freedom comes from you when you have time. Many people with little money can live fulfilling lives because they spend their time wisely.
I think money is more important than time because you have to save your time using your money. If you want to go anywhere and you have no time, so you can choose other option using your money. Using your money, you can utilize your time perfectly because when you want to do a business and you want to do a new course and you don't have money, so how can you utilize your time?
Opportunities are useless when you haven't time. And money may open doors, but time allows us to walk through them.
Having money can impact your physical and mental health because when you have money, you can easily invest it on your medical health or medical care, and you can also invest it with your healthy habits.
Health is dependent on time than money because regular exercise, sleep, and a stressful lifestyle require time, not just financial resources.
In some cases, people may have to sacrifice time to earn money because when living to basic living expense and want to advance in their career.
While it's true for survival, but it's the fact that money comes when we invest time in work. And without investing time, money can't exist for anyone.
Money gives you access for a better education. When you have money, you can invest it on your education and also you can upgrade your skills to entire your life.
Money provides access and resources, but learning and growth take time. Our time is very important in our life, in our future. Whenever you go to college and school, you have no time. How do you go there and how do you earn your money?
Let's conclude, guys. After listening all the points, we have to accept that money and time, the both are important in their own ways, and the success not come in choosing one of them, but in making the both of them most. Thank you, and have a nice day ahead.